Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good evening, and the other one again, my unboxing. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, we open it. So before that, I'm going to do the kitchen and adjustable and operation with that and the card. Okay, and that's it. That means if you want to do the barbecue, you can do it. So open this. So I look my scissor with the scissor here sa ayos. Yes. So I'll check this. What's this inside? Oh, naka-stapler, guys. Huh? Naka-stapler siya. Pwede bang punitin natin? Punitin natin. Punitin na natin, guys. Binabayaran naman natin ito, guys. Diba? Okay, that's it. Wow! Oh, guys, yeah, pwede ka magluto ng hotdog, patties, shrimp, ham. This one is fatty like burger. That one. Okay, barbecue. Okay, so this is it. Inside. So, open it. School, nakakatakot. Okay, can you help me please? Alright. Okay. Okay, thank you. Alright. Ayan na, guys. Okay. So, we'll remove this. Kaya hindi ko pa ito gagamitin, guys. Ha? Just show to everyone what is my unboxing for today. Pero hindi pa ito gagamitin. Saka na gagamitin ito. Basta ng aking friends. Okay? That's it. Oh, wow. Okay. This is the cord. And pwede rin itong remote mo kung ayaw yung tapos sasama. And that one, pwede nyo angat, pwede ganyan lang, and then dito kayo magluto. Pwede rin nyo i-ganyan kung magluto kayo ng pati na hindi na pwedeng baliktarin. Luto dito. Okay, and then ito ang seats. Like that. Okay, and nag-click siya to power, control. Then you off. And then this one, ay ang lagayan ng may replica. I don't know where I put this one, but later na. Okay. I think here inside. Where is it? Hindi ko alam. Ayan. Bala na. Bala na si Mayor. Okay. So thank you for watching. God bless us all. And please like and share to my video. Bye bye.